What is up guys, this is Shito back with another video, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you the best settings for this particular monitor which I really like. This is the LG's 32-inch 1440p monitor and this is 144Hz by the way. Yes, I of course did a full review and the unboxing video stuff on my channel, so do check it out from the description. I recently saw a comment on the unboxing video of this monitor. At the rate I am Rajesh R actually is asking what is the best picture settings for this particular monitor. It's so bright. Even at level 10 in dark room, it doesn't have eye protection, but any settings to have better picture and soothing to eyes. Well, I am not someone who cares about the eye protection kind of stuff because I work in mostly videos and photos and all those things. So I need the colors to be accurate. It doesn't or it shouldn't look like those YOLO kind of tints. But if you're someone, I would say, who is working all day long on your PC, not depending on your colors and stuff, then you can definitely turn on just the night light of Windows, then it will actually work. Just search the night light option on your start page and just launch that. And once you do that, as you can see, there is the option to turn on the night light. The display turned a little bit dimmer and you can actually calibrate or like change the strength of this night light just like a phone. So yeah, the display will turn yellowish or orangish kind of, and that will actually give you a lot more working hours. It won't give you eye strains or anything. So yeah, this is what you can use if you want to actually get the night light kind of thing, or you can schedule it also if you want to. This is a Windows feature, but you can definitely use it if you're working on Word or like Excel. The colors won't matter, of course, so you can use that. But otherwise, in terms of the display brightness, let me just talk about that first because that is a really important thing. Mostly I keep the brightness at like 20. That's what I use most of the time, and that works for me with the color settings that I do. But if you're watching movies or anything from a little bit far away, definitely I would say just crank up the brightness. This monitor goes really bright, 350 nits plus I guess, and in 100% brightness, this is how beautiful it looks. It looks super good, and in my opinion, this is definitely one of the best looking displays that I have ever used. So pretty much I would say, yeah, 20 or 15 kind of brightness in a very dim lighting situation room would be working fine. This is 15, and if I just increase it to 20, there is a like knob on the bottom. You can just adjust the brightness by just pushing it on the bottom, and yeah, right now it's 20. So yeah, definitely the brightness I use about from 15 to 20, or you can bring it down even if you feel the brightness is a little bit much. Right now, let me just show you the color settings that I use for this particular monitor. By pressing the button, you will get the menu, and with this menu, first of all, we have the game mode, and it has the gamer 1, 2, etc. I just have it on gamer 1, and we have the game adjust mode as well. And on top, it shows the refresh rate, then the FreeSync is on, if motion blur reduction is on and stuff like that. And here in the game adjust, we have the 1ms motion blur reduction turned off, and the FreeSync is set to extended. Then we have the black stabilizer, I set it to 55, and the response time, I have it on faster. The crosshair I have turned off, and in the picture just first we have the brightness. You can just set it anytime, and the contrast I have it on 55 also. The sharpness I have it on 50. The monitor itself, it's pretty sharp. The gamma I have selected to mode 2, and the color temperature you can set it or customize it from here. And in the custom I have the red set to 48, and the green actually is set to 52 for me, and blue I use with 54. So these are my custom color settings for this particular monitor. Your panel may look a little bit different with it, but yeah, this is the best option that I found for my particular monitor's panel. The DFC I have it turned off. This is the automatic brightness adjustment kind of depending on the scenario. It doesn't have auto brightness sensor or anything as far as I know. I have the smart energy savings turned off. There is automatic standby mode also, so that the monitor automatically switches off after some time. This monitor also has a software worth talking about, I feel, because this is the on-screen control of LG, and if you just open it up, let me tell you, this monitor had split screen when Windows didn't have it, and this split screen is definitely a proper one. You can set up multiple windows, like up to 8 windows separately, and even there is a picture-in-picture mode, so you can have something or a video playing in the like top, and in the background you can do some work. So you can set the PIP to anywhere on the screen on all 4 corners. This is a big monitor, so this is really amazing feature. And here in the screen settings, you can adjust the brightness and stuff from here, and it actually works. In the screen recording it won't show, but yeah, this works. and we have the contrast setting option. Then we have the display orientation setting option. If you have the monitor on a portrait kind of setup, you can definitely do that from right here. You can change the response time. You can even change the FreeSync or G-Sync mode right here. And we have the black stabilizer customization. Motion blur, you can turn it on or off from here. And if you're someone who is working for hours and hours, you can definitely go into this reader mode. Once you enable that, the display will turn definitely a little bit yellowish, and the texts will be a little bit more paper-like, you can say. It won't show again in the screen recording, but yeah, definitely I can notice the difference. So if you're someone who is working on Word or Excel or any other longer kind of stuff, and you don't actually care about the colors, you just want your eyes not to be strained, definitely use this reader mode. And there are the other FPS RTS modes also, not really sure what they do, but yeah, those are there. One more thing is that why I use the display with like 120 Hertz, that is because it gives you much lesser load on your GPU whenever you're using it. The GPU doesn't get hot or anything. Yes, if you have a really powerful GPU, 144 Hertz with 2K doesn't matter. I have a GTX 1070 and I feel like 144 Hertz 2K all the time, it's a little bit heavier load than what I need. So I just use 120 Hertz most of the time. And here, let me show you from the personalization settings. And in the display settings, yes, as you can see, there is the option for 144 Hertz, and there is also 120 Hertz, 75 Hertz, 60 Hertz, all those things. But I generally use it with 120 Hertz, works fine for me. So hope I could explain as much as I know about this particular monitor settings, and hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends if you feel like. This is Tito from KTN Tech signing off for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not yet, and I'll be catching you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.